Need to scan large volumes of content faster? Spotlights help important keywords and phrases stand out while you read. Use spotlights to instantly identify important topics, brands, people, products, or any other terms that matter to you. To create a spotlight, open Automate and select Spotlights. Click Create Spotlight to get started. Give your spotlight a name and, if you'd like, add a description. Choose a color that will help matching terms stand out. Then, add the words or phrases you want Inoreader to highlight. As new content arrives, matching terms are highlighted automatically in your article lists. Spotlights also work inside articles, making it easier to find relevant information while reading. You can create multiple spotlights and assign different colors to different topics. Color coding helps you quickly understand what an article is about before you even start reading. Whether you're tracking trends, monitoring brands, or following specific topics, spotlights help you find important information faster with every article you read.